Welcome everybody to Western Oregon University's campus. A building like this, where student services and support is housed, is incredibly symbolic. It is the place where students will find people and resources they need to make good decisions and to be successful in their college pathway.
I think it's fitting and proper to celebrate a building that, as the president said, is literally built on the foundation of the history of this institution, that recognizes that for folks going to school today, it isn't as easy as it used to be.
It is my greatest pleasure not only to be able to use the services here, but also work here, get to meet other students that need these services.
I also like to think of this place as connected to the Student University Center and our library. So I think both literally and figuratively now, students are at the very heart of Western Oregon's campus. We are, we are, we are. All right. How could we not do that?